Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris, and today I'm going to be showing you a very special 1949 Chevrolet 3100 that just got completely restored, just finished in 2023, ready to be sold to you, put in your garage. This is a dream build, guys, right here. This has got a custom Fatman chassis that's been powder coated, coilovers, Willwood disc brakes, custom built 400 small block under the hood with Holley EFI system. It's got a 700 R4 transmission, so you got that overdrive to cruise on the interstate. Custom interior, AC, nice stereo system, wood bed, American Racing torque thrust wheels. It's got it all, guys. This is one awesome build. Let's start up front here. You got your chrome bumper. It's in great condition. Your grill's in great condition. It's all nice, clean chrome. Your hood has been welded. All the seams have been welded up on it. And let me go over the fitment on this, because a lot of people don't realize even these from the factory back in 1949, the hoods didn't fit worth a crap. This one has been body worked and it fits really nicely. So to get a hood like this to fit good on this truck takes a lot of work, a lot of body work, and this one is done really nicely. Your gaps are nice and straight on it. All your chrome, your headlights, your paint on this truck is fantastic, guys. The body work, there's no telling what they spent on body work on this. The windshield has been molded to one piece, so you don't have that seam there. So that's a really custom trick piece. All your weather stripping's new, your mirrors are new, all the chrome looks really great. Want to talk about the wheels here. You got a, I believe it's a 15 or a 16 inch. I can't remember off the top of my head, but it's either a 15 or a 16 inch American Racing torque thrust wheel. Really good condition. The chrome looks great, no curbs or anything like that. You do have some Willwood 6-piston brakes up front as well to give you really good stopping power in this 3100. Your running boards are in good condition. Your door handles have been shaved to give you that clean look, and it looks fantastic. Check out your gaps here on your doors, man. Nice and even all the way down. As I look down the side of this truck, it's laser straight, guys. Just looks freaking amazing, and the paint is beautiful, as I mentioned before. Your back window here is in really good condition. The weather stripping's nice. The side of the bed here is really clean. Your tubs are nice and clean. No chips or dings or anything like that. Super, super nice. As I look at the bed here, you do have a custom wood bed back here. Your caps on the back of your bedside here, your bed rails here, have been welded in. You've got a piece of metal, custom metal there, and welded in where before it was open. So it gives you a really clean trick look. Your rear tailgate looks really nice. Your bumper's all clean and brand new. You do have dual 3-inch exhaust with Flowmasters out the back here. But guys, what a freaking beautiful truck, guys. You just don't find them this nice, I'm telling you. This one's top notch. If Justin will walk over here, you can see that beautiful wood bed back here. Your gas tank has been moved to the rear, and that is where you fill it right there. But check out that beautiful wood back there, guys. Just looks beautiful on this black. But with that being said, let's go ahead and work our way back up front so I can show you that fuel injected 400 small block. All right, guys, check out this beautiful engine bay. Check out that custom built 400 small block. For all the details on the engine build, please go to my website at collectiblemotor.com. I can't remember everything that's been done to the engine, but I have it all wrote out there in the description and in the highlights on our website. So go there to check it out. But we'll go over the biggest things on the engine. This does have the Holley Sniper 2 EFI TBI fuel injection system on it. So you get the fuel injection versus a carburetor where it'll adjust and do everything you need it to do, so it runs really nicely. You've got the new serpentine system here with a new alternator, new compressor. You got a Be Cool radiator to keep everything nice and cool with a Be Cool reservoir there. Your firewall has been shaved and painted, and as I mentioned earlier, your doors are shaved, but you do have an emergency switch there to pop the doors if you need to. You just pop the hood and hit that button, and there is a key there to lock it to where no one can just pop your hood and hit the button and unlock it. But overall, the engine bay is very, very clean. You do have long tube headers here that go to a 3-inch exhaust with Flowmaster Super 40s, and it has a great sound. This chrome shroud here looks really nice. They kept it kind of old school looking with the small block engine. They didn't go over the top with it, but it definitely looks clean and simple and looks really, really nice. And the paint work inside the engine bay looks really nice. They just added the right touches to it. And let me tell you firsthand, this engine is no slouch. It's got some good power to it. But with that being said, let's go ahead and move to that custom interior. All right, guys, check out the beautiful interior. You've got black TMI with red stitching. So this is a company called TMI. Don't know if all of you are familiar with it, but they make an excellent product. You can straight bolt their seats right into just about any classic vehicle. They make them anywhere from Chevelles to 3100s to Mustangs. You can buy it straight from them. You can kind of customize it how you want, just like the door panels here are customized to match the seat with the diamond stitching. But you've got power windows, you've got a tilt wheel in here, you've got some custom gauges. All the gauges in here work. They are a digital style gauge that still look analog. Your pedals have been customized with like billet style pedals. Your carpet's brand new. Dash has all been painted to match the exterior of the truck. You've got a billet rear view mirror there as well. You also have the upgraded AC system in this truck. You do have functioning wipers as well, just in case you get caught out in the rain going to one of your car shows. This truck does have a ton of paperwork. I would open it up and go through it, but we'd be here all day. If you want to see it in more detail, you can reach out to us at 770-738-7111. You can ask for Justin or Chris. I'm Chris. We can scan that and send that to you. We do have pictures of the paperwork on our website at collectiblemotor.com. Go there, click on inventory, and go to this truck, and we do have pictures of all that. But overall, the interior is very nice on this truck and is very comfortable. But with that being said, let's get to my favorite part, and let's take this one for a drive. Ooh. All right, guys, we're out cruising in 3100, and so far I am very impressed. This thing drives like a dream, and that comes from that custom chassis that I mentioned earlier. The Fatman Chassis is fantastic on this platform with the coilovers, the tubular A-arms, the rack and pinion steering, and that 9-inch rear end out back. This thing just drives like a dream, and it puts the power to the ground. The 400 small block is fantastic, plenty of power. The throttle response is great. The drivability is great. The AC works fantastic in here. It's about 92 degrees here in Georgia. We got the windows up, especially being in a black truck, you usually will cook, but the AC is keeping us nice and cool. I noticed all the gauges are working properly in this truck as well, guys. The steering wheel's fantastic. The truck drives straight down the road. You can literally let go of the steering wheel and it'll cruise straight. Another thing that I do like about the Holley system is you do get the little 3-inch display screen that allows you to keep an eye on all the parameters. It'll show you anything from air to fuel to your voltage, all your parameters for your engine. You can look right down there and check. It'll even show you your RPM speed. But guys, this truck is very impressive, and for the money it would be hard to build one like this, but man, all I can say is this is a fantastic truck. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get back to the shop so I can put this one up on the lift and show you that awesome custom Fatman chassis underneath here. All right, guys, it's the next day. We ran out of time, but we've got the 3100 up on the lift here, and I want to talk about this chassis that's underneath this truck. This is a Fatman chassis. It's been completely powder coated. It's a full custom chassis, and this thing really makes a difference on this truck as far as how it handles. You've got tubular A-arms up front, rack and pinion steering. You've got the coilovers front and rear as well. You've got that big, thick radiator you can see right there. But the chassis is what makes this truck special. I mean, this is probably a $20,000, $25,000 chassis on this truck, and it makes a big difference in how it handles and drives. But as you also can see, as I mentioned earlier in the video, you do have that dual exhaust system here with the Flowmaster exhaust or mufflers. But man, just look how clean the bottom side of this truck is. You can see the bottom of the floor pans here are all super clean and painted really nicely. The frame's all powder coated like I mentioned earlier. The drive shaft is nice and clean as well. So we work our way down through here. You'll see that all your fuel lines are nice and neat down across the frame there, how it should be. You do have a 4-link system out back here to a 9-inch forward rear end. The 9-inch forward rear ends are known for being the strongest rear ends out there, so this can definitely handle the power of that 400 small block underneath the hood. You do have your coilovers out back as well, and you've got a nice aluminum gas tank. But man, what a nice truck, guys. If you guys are interested in this truck or have any additional questions, like I said, on the write-up on our website at collectiblemotor.com, I have a lot more details as far as all the parts and the build on this truck. So if you want more information, you can go there, or you can give us a call at 770-738-7111. You can ask for Chris, which is me, or you can ask for my partner Justin, and we can go over the truck with you to make sure that you understand everything done to the truck. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're all the time coming out with new content on all the new inventory coming through Collectible, and it's always a fun time doing the videos on these trucks, and we love sharing them with you. But with that being said, guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, and we'll catch you on the next one.